going to talk about the minor 7th chord as it functions as a 2 chord. And the example we're going to use is the E minor 7th chord. The E minor 7th chord is spelled E, G, B, D, E. And that's sort of our inner scale, if you will, our target notes, the safe notes. And then we have an outer scale. The outer scale is called the E dorian mode, and we play E to E with the in the key signature of a whole step below E, which is D. So that's F sharp and C sharp. So we're going to play E to E with F sharp and C sharp. And again, that's called the dorian mode. That's the outer scale. The inner scale is the E minor 7th arpeggio. And we handle this chord almost exactly like we did the dominant. So here's the arpeggio. Okay, and the E dorian mode scale, which is E to E with a F sharp and C sharp, sounds like this. And again, we handle it like the dominant. We have our target notes on the inside and our outside scale, which we can run through. The 2 chord, or the minor 7th chord, is very forgiving, just like the dominant. It takes everything. It takes even the 4th. It's really a nice, nice scale, very forgiving. So we can play any of the notes, and that's where you get the idea from these books. They say, oh, just play all the notes, in the E dorian scale when you have a 2 minor 7. But again, I repeat, what we really want to do is we really want to have some structure to this thing. So I'm going to use the arpeggio as the target notes, notes that I can rely on, notes that nail down what chord I'm playing, and then fill in with the rest of the notes. And I'm going to play a little bit against the E minor 7th chord played here, and at first I'll just play the arpeggio. I won't even play the dorian scale. If I can get it to work here. Ah, it's coming on. Here it comes. You hear the drummer? 2, 3, 4. So just playing those notes and ornamenting them a bit, you can kind of get a nice little solo. Now here's the dorian scale. You can hear how nice it sounds against this chord. Sounds pretty nice. You can just kind of run through it. And now, of course, emphasizing target notes. Oh, I can fill in the whole steps with half steps anywhere I want. Sounds kind of bluesy, and the reason is it has a flat 3rd and a flat 7. If I had the flat 5th, that would be B flat. It gets more bluesy and more jazzy.